Hey, we just got two 880 plus platinum power supplies for my Dual 380 Gen 9. And my plan with these is replacing my 460s with these, and hopefully using all these to power my server and my GPU, which is RTX 5070, at the same time, so I can make my current setup less janky. Let me show you my current setup. Yep, this is my current setup. As you can see, I have an external power supply running with this, which bypasses as a motherboard and is only powering the GPU. Luckily, 380 has PCIe power slots inside to power a GPU, which is only an 8-pin, which this requires two 8-pins, but I can use two PCIe powers to power this up, hopefully.